It's fall and it's harvest time. The days are getting shorter, the nights are getting colder, and it's time to harvest the sweet potatoes. So if you'll see here, we have a couple sweet potatoes that have kind of poked up above the surface. I'm kind of curious to see what's down farther under. And you can see that the leaves have started to change color, which is a good sign that the sweet potatoes are ready to pick. Now you want to make sure that the sweet potatoes are not exposed to freezing conditions. So you want to try and keep them from below 45 degrees and especially from below freezing. When if you have a lot of sweet potatoes to dig, you can use a digging fork like this. I wouldn't use a shovel because you'll end up cutting them in half and that'll really reduce the storage time you have. You can use a digging fork, kind of try and get underneath them and lift them up. But because we're here in a square foot garden and we only have a few potatoes, I'm just going to use a trowel. So let's see what we got. Just kind of work them up here. And just kind of lift them up out here. Ooh, that's a big one. There's one in here really deep. Well, that looks like all of them. So, looks like we got some 3 giant sweet potatoes here and 3 smaller sweet potatoes. I'll go ahead and weigh these and add them to the information as to what we've picked out of the Square Foot Garden on the Square Foot Garden blog on familyplotgarden.com.
Thanks for watching. We have other quick tips. Just subscribe below.